Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn some words in Chinese to indicate direction. Let's see them one by one. Number one is 从. The second tone. 从 it means from in English. For example, 我从学校回来. 我从学校回来. The most common use of this word is 从 and starting place, and verb or verb phrase, such as 从家走, 从家走, 从外面回来, 从外面回来. Let's see a contact. 你从哪里回来的? 你从哪里回来的? 我从学校回来的. 我从学校回来的. The context means where did you come from? I came back from school. 从 means from. Number two is 像. The fourth tone. 像. It means to in English. For example, 一直向前走. 一直向前走. 向前走. So the basic structure is 向 and direction and verb or verb phrase. 向前走, 向后走, 向左走. The contact. 学校怎么走? 一直向前走. Number three. 往. The third tone. 往 is similar to 向, the same as to or towards in English. So the grammar structure is the same as 向. That is 往 and direction and verb or verb phrase. 往前走, 往后走, 往左拐, 往右转, something like this. Number four is 到. 到 means to arrive, to reach somewhere. Usually, 从 and 到 are used together. That is, 从哪儿到哪儿, 从哪儿到哪儿. 哪儿 we have learned before, right? Means where. So the structure is 从 and starting place, and 到 and destination. For example, 从家到银行. 从家到银行. It means from home to bank. Home is the starting place. Bank is the destination. 从家到银行. Let's add more details in this sentence. 我从家到银行花了30分钟路程. 我从家到银行花了30分钟路程. That is a more complex sentence. It means it took me about 30 minutes to go to the bank from home. So, 从哪儿到哪儿. Just added places in this structure. That will be okay. The last one is 离. 离, the second tone. 离 indicates the distance from a place, moment, or purpose. For example, 我家离学校很近. 我家离学校很近. The structure is A 离 B 远 or 近. 远 means far. 近 means close. More details to make a complex sentence. 我离学校很近, 所以我早上可以多睡一会儿. 我离学校很近, 所以早上我可以多睡一会儿. It means I'm close to the school, so I can sleep more in the morning. So not difficult. These words indicate direction in Chinese. So know these words themselves and then know the sentence structure that you will express more properly. So today our video is coming to an end. See you next time. Bye!